Hi friends, this video shows how to enable and use 5G. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on general management, tap here. Go down, tap on reset. Go down, tap on reset mobile network settings, tap here. Tap on this reset settings button, enter screen lock password. Then tap on this reset button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings, including 5G settings. That's all. So here I am going to reset 5G settings and remove all wrong 5G settings. That is what I am going to do. Tap on reset. See the message network settings reset. Now I have removed all wrong 5G network settings. Let me again configure. Let me close this. Then go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Tap here. Tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. Here you can see three options. Select this first option, 5G preferred. Select it. Then tap on network operators. Enable this option. Select automatically. Go back. Then if you are outside home network, enable data roaming. Tap here. Done. If you want to use voice over 5G or VoNR, enable this option. If you want to use 2G networks in areas where other networks are not available, enable this option, allow 2G service. Then go back. Tap on data usage. Enable this option, mobile data. Done. Here on top you can see 5G signal. That means 5G has been enabled in this mobile phone. This way we can enable 5G and use. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.